Hello children, good morning. Welcome to my channel Sri Sri Thakur. Today I will discuss chapter number 20, part 4, that is discussion of exercise. Previously we discussed translation in part 1 to 3. So we will discuss question answer of this chapter, Sanskrita Bhasayah Vaishishtam, the importance of Sanskrit language. In this part, we will discuss all questions and answers. Please pay attention and write the answers in the notebook. Question number 1 goes like this. Adhalikhitebhyah vikalpebhyah samuchitam uttaram chinuta. Select the correct answers from the options of the questions given below. Sanskrit bhasham lakshya shloka parimita grantha kaha. As I have told you earlier, each and every question we have to translate into English, then after we will find answers. Sanskrit bhasham lakshya shloka parimita grantha kaha. Which book is consisting of 1 lakh shloka in Sanskrit language? Mahabharatam. That is Mahabharat, first option. Samsarasya prachinatama grantha vartate dash. Samsarasya prachinatama grantha dash vartate. The most ancient book in the world is Rig Veda. Third option. Mukhata ucharana kale kasya swara varnasya pradurbhava pratham bhavati. Which vowel is pronounced first at the time of pronunciation through mouth? Akarasya, that is last option, all letter. Sanskritasya varnamalam varnanam kramah kasya adharana nirdharita bhavati. On what basis the sequence of letters in the alphabets of Sanskrit has been decided? That is Ucharana Tantrasya, the concept of pronunciation. Question number 5. Dasakumara Charitasya Katame Uchchase Pavarga Prayoga Rahitani Vakyani Santi. In which part of Dasakumar Charit sentences are there without use of pa varga, pa pha ba bha ma? That is Saptame Uchchase, the first option. 6th question. Paninina Rachitasya Vyakanasya Kim Nam. What is the grammar book written by Panini? That is Ashtadhyayi, third option. That is question number 1. Now question number 2. एकवाक्येन संस्कृत भाषा उत्तरम लिख दो. राइट आंसर्स इन वन सेंटेंस इन संस्कृत. संस्कृत भाषायाः कः ग्रन्थः सर्वासु भाषासु अनुदितः वर्तते. इन व्हिच लैंग्वेज which book in Sanskrit language has been translated into almost of all languages? That is Panchatantram. Okay. कः ग्रंथ? पंचतंत्र नामक ग्रंथ. व्यंजनवर्णेषु कस्य क्रम प्रथम वर्तते? Which sequence comes first among the consonants? Kakarasya. Kasya will be replaced by kakarasya. I mean, among the consonant, ka letter comes first. Maghena virachitasya kavyasya nama kim vartate. What is the name of epic written by Magha? Shishupala Baddham. Kim vartate? Kim will be replaced by Shishupala Baddham. Shishupala Baddham. Rigveda Kidrusa Grantha. What kind of book Rigveda is? Prachinatama, most ancient. Kidrusa will be replaced by Prachinatama, most ancient. Mahabharata Kati Sloka Santi. How many slokas are there in Mahabharata? Kati will be replaced by Ekalaksha, 1 lakh. Now question number 3. Rekhankita padanam sthane prakoshthat uchitam padam chitva prashna vakyam rachayata. By selecting the appropriate word given in bracket, make the sentence into question or frame the sentence into question format. First of all, we have to understand the meaning which are given in bracket. Kim means what, kasmin means in which, kaha means who, kasa means of what. Sanskritasya vaishishtam pradasya. Pradasya means importance, so you have to write what. So kim. Kim will be dot. Put small e matra in ka and dot. Kim. Rigveda prachinatava grantha. Rigveda is the most ancient book. So Rigveda means book, so you write what? So kaha. Sanskrit bhasha Bharatiya Bhasanam Janani. Sanskrit Bhasha Bharatiya Bhasanam Janani. Sanskrit language is the mother of all the Indian languages. So Bharatiya Bhasanam will be replaced by Kasam. Panchatantra Namaka Grantha Sarvasu Bhasasu Anita Vartate. The book known as Panchatantram has been translated into all the languages. So sarvasu bhasasu will be replaced with kasu. So it is not here. So kasu will be replacing sarvasu bhasasu. So it is question number 3. Now question number 4. Sabdarupe rikta sthanani purata. Fill in the blanks with correct word form. So it is a case related question. So first of all we have to understand in which case each and every question is given. Fourth question, first one given an instrumental. Next question in nominative, accusative both. Third question locative. Fourth question nominative. Fifth question locative. Now let us get the answer. Let us understand the answer. Granthena, granthabhyam, granthaihi. Double matra visarga. Granthena, granthabhyam, granthaihi. Next question. Vakyam, vakye, vakyani. Vakyam, mahalant, vakye. One matra, vakyani. Next. Saptame, saptamayoho, saptamesu. Then acharyaha, nominate singular. Acharyau, one line, one vertical line, double matra upar, and rep matra, acharyu. Then last word is acharyaha. A matra and visarga. I repeat, acharyaha, acharyau, double matra at the top, one vertical line and rep matra, and acharyaha. And last question, bhasayam, bhasaya mahalam, bhasayoho, bhasayoho, bhasasu. Locative guys. Now question of 5th. Pradatan sabdan prajujya vakyan nirchayata. Make sentences by using the words given in a under each every question, under each English question. There are many books written in Sanskrit language. Sanskrita bhasayam anekaha granthaha vartante. I repeat, Sanskrita bhasayam, in Sanskrit language, anekaha, many, granthaha, books written vartante, are there. World's first book is Rigveda. Sansarasya prathamam pustakam Rigvedaha asti. I repeat, Sansarasya prathamam dot pustakam dot Rigvedaha double dot asti. The famous Adikavya is Ramayana. Ramayanam prasiddham Adikavyam vartate. Ramayanam prasiddham Palanmo Adikavyam dot vartate. This is also a special feature of Sanskrit. Idam as it is, api as it is, Sanskritasya vaishishtyam vartate. Idam api Sanskritasya vaishishtyam vartate. Matrubhasayam uttarana likhata. Write answers in mother tongue, but here we have to write answer in English. Write 2 specialities of Sanskrit. There are 8 specialities in this chapter. Any 2 you can write. Write about special characteristics of Sanskrit alphabets. Here you see Sanskrit alphabets has a particular sequence that is scientific and logical, and that sequence has been decided whether it is vowel or consonant. That sequence has been decided on the concept of pronunciation, which has been obtained to human being from the nature. So it is totally logical and scientific, and this kind of sequence is not there in any other language. So these are the special characteristics of Sanskrit alphabets. Write a note about speciality of Dasyakumar Charit. Dasyakumar Charit is a prose work in Sanskrit and written by Dandi. The entire book is consisting of a unique description. In its 7th part, the authors are written some sentences without using letter like pa varga, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. I repeat, Dasyakumar Charit is a prose work in Sanskrit. It is written by Dandi. In its 7th part of this book, or in this book, you will find there are speeches or there are sentences without use of pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. These 5 letters known as pa varga. It was there in question also. Okay. So now children, your turn is to complete the homework in a notebook. If you have queries, please contact me. In my contact details I have given here. I will try to solve it out. Before you exit the video, subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends and like it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Thank you. Wish you all the best.